The most sought after piece of document in the month of January is a W-2, and I have it here. This confusing piece of document, I'm going to go box by box to explain what each box means, where your taxes are going, and by looking at this, you can possibly even determine if you're going to be getting a refund. So let's start. We have here box one. Box one essentially is how much of your salary that you earned in the year. Now, this amount may actually be lower than what you actually earned because if you have a 401k, then that is not taxable. But the amount that's in box one is essentially your taxable income. So 401k is a deferred non-taxable item. So that will reduce your taxable income from here. So that's good. Now move on to box two. Box two is actually your federal withholding. Now that is really the amount of money that you can get back from your taxes because that's the only part of your essentially your tax that you pay is what's refundable, the federal income tax withholding. So this number it determines your refund or the amount you may owe. Moving on to box three. Box three is Social Security wages. So Social Security wage is capped at about 140,000. So technically over 140,000, you don't pay any Social Security wages. And the Social Security wages determines your Social Security tax. Now the Social Security tax is 6.2% of this number, but this number essentially goes into your Social Security fund. When you retire at 59 and a half, you start getting back some of that money. And then box five is Medicare wages. So Medicare wages doesn't have a cap like Social Security. So you have to pay Medicare tax on any amount of income, and that's 1.45%. And that is essentially when you retire and you get free health insurance from the federal government. That's the fund for that. So this kind of gives you an explanation of what these first six boxes, the main six boxes of your W-2 and what they are. I'll cover the rest in the next part of this video.